guys, Donut Your Hands here and welcome to another Birchbox unboxing. I've been excited to get back into Birchbox videos. Yeah, there's not a lot else to say. Let's just head straight into this puppy. So let's open her up. I don't know which side to do this. I'm like, you'd think by now I would have learned. We have Spread Your Wings, fabulous. And here we are, they're sat on top of loads of little wormies again. So let's go for this one. The product that you can choose each month, I don't actually know what I've got, because since I've changed my email with Birchbox, I've not been getting the emails to choose your own product. So I honestly have no idea what it is. I couldn't even find on their Instagram the link to, you know, like click to change it that way. So I have no idea what I've got. My apologies. It was between an eyeliner and a lip liner, and I was going for the lip liner, but we'll see what I got. Anyway, we have this little product right here. It is called Arrow Boost. Arrow Boost is a colour enhancing lip balm. Ooh, too bad I can't show you because I've already got lipstick on. Ooh, that's really pretty. It's like it almost kind of matches the wig I'm wearing. Almost. It's like a purpley colour. It smells very minty. I like it. Should we do a little swatcheroony? Are you going to focus on it, camera? Are you going to focus on over here? Thank you. So, let's see. Does it do anything? Oh, I think I see it. Wow. So it actually has come off. Instead of being a purple, it's gone to more of a pink colour, which is pretty sweet. I like it. I will have to try it actually on, and I'll like try and remember to post on Instagram and tag it somehow so you guys can find it. That nearly landed back in the Birchbox. I'm impressed with that. So next is this thing. Oh, thank God for that. This is what we got to choose. It was a Lord and Berry lip liner, or was it Lord and Berry eyeliner as well? Yeah, I think it was a eyeliner as well, like Lord and Berry. So we have Vintage Rose lip liner. Ooh, I don't know if you will be able to see the colour on the end. I don't think so. But again, it's kind of like a purpley, pinky, dusty, rosy colour. Ooh. That felt very nice. I don't know if I've got any lipsticks that are this colour. I think it might go quite well with the one I'm wearing, but that is very soft, very smooth. Thank you, Birchbox, for sending me the one I wanted and not the one that I didn't want, because I couldn't choose. Next product we have is this big boy. This is Philip Kingsley Elasticator. Intensive super conditioning pre-shampoo treatment for all hair types. Adds elasticity, manageability, bounce and shine. Ooh, I've never used a pre-shampoo treatment before. So it says on the back, for best results, use regularly before shampooing wet hair and apply in sections. So work into hair with fingertips, cover with a plastic cap and leave for 10 to 20 minutes before washing. Rinse well and follow with appropriate Philip Kingsley shampoo. Other shampoos are available, of course. Conditioner and scalp toner. Finer hair textures apply sparingly through mid-lengths and ends. Suitable for use on colour treated hair. Keep away from eyes. Obviously, it was nice to know that it's good for colour treated hair. Let's give this a sniff. Let me just plop a droplet on my hand and see if we can get a smell out of it. Nothing. I don't think there is any smell to it at all, which is kind of weird. Oh wait, I'm getting a hint. I have to like literally stick my nose in it, and I think it's like a cocoa buttery kind of scent. Do you guys know the Palm's cocoa butter like moisturizer? It smells kind of like that, which is really nice, and it is nice that you have to be like right up close, because sometimes these things have like a really overpowering scent, so it's good that it doesn't. We are flying through this Birchbox. I feel like we're gonna be done in about 10 minutes. Anyway, let's go down here. And we have, I've had a brow product from this company before, and they're pretty good. The company is Beauty, I think. This is a Nourishing Mascara. I can't get the little plastic tear as per usual. There we go. So it is cruelty free, which is nice. Volumizing and lengthening mascara enhanced with almond oil and camellia oil. Let's give it a sniff, shall we? Ooh, I like that brush. This is very interesting. Wowie. Ooh, it smells quite nice. Tiny bit weird, but there we go. I have just done my makeup. I haven't done any mascara today, so I'll give it a quick whirl through the top lashes and we'll see how it does. So the mascara is on. Let me just zoom you guys in a bit. We'll come back to my face. So the mascara is on, but it doesn't seem to have like volumized much. It says it is supposed to be volumizing and lengthening. I do have really long eyelashes anyway, so that doesn't help with any mascara, to be honest. But it did feel really nice, and there was pretty much no clumps. I think there was a little bit just over here, but that's because, like I said, my eyelashes are so long. My top lashes here kind of like join with my bottom lashes, so I tend to get a bit of clumping around that region, but that's normal for me. But otherwise, that was pretty good for a mascara. And last but not least, is that last but not least? Yep, because we've got these wormies. This is face sunscreen, Mimitica SPF 50. Ooh, I've never had sunscreen in like a tub before. Please focus, camera. There we go. Never had sunscreen in a tub. Let's open it up. Ooh. Wow. It smells really rose petal-esque. I'm trying to look at the instructions if it looks like I'm very crossed out. It's not the instructions. The ingredients. Ooh, but that smells really nice. Let me collect this little bit out of the lid. We won't do it on the hand, we've done swatches on. And let's just plonk, plonk, plonk. I've put way too much on there. And it's sunscreen, so there's not a lot's going to happen, but I just want to tell you guys how it feels. It feels very smooth to rub in. And it doesn't feel very greasy like how some sunscreens do. Let me just continue rubbing this like all up my arm. Cover up Mr. Linky Boy. Gotta protect him from the sun. Yeah, it doesn't feel very, like, I don't feel like I'm wearing sunscreen. I feel like I'm wearing a moisturizer, which is really nice. And the smell, it's just, when you have that horrible like sunscreen smell all day, that's the worst. Yeah, that is honestly it for this month's Birchbox. So, hello Birchboxers, this May it's time to spread your wings and join us on a voyage of new discoveries. Take a fresh approach to beauty and try something new. A new product, a new look, a new approach. It's time to get creative. Fly away with this box of 5 beauty treats perfectly personalised to you. So the Lord and Berry lip liner in Vintage Rose retails for £13. There is the little card, so you can pause and read all of those if you want. I will briefly start reading the descriptions of them just because I want to. How much is the Arrow lip thing? £11 normally. Anyway, so the lip liner is, it's supposed to not smudge, not fade. It's supposed to be long wearing, creamy formula, which it definitely has. It's made with macadamia oil and is water resistant. Ooh. The Boost Colour Enhancing Lip Balm, we got Berry Busy. Don't be fooled by the purple tint of this lip balm. Formulated to adjust to your unique pH, it enhances your natural lip colour. Ooh, that'll be interesting to try it on the lips then. I will definitely have to do that. So it enhances your natural lip colour to create the perfect just for you hue, whilst mango seed butter hydrates and protects. Lovely. So the mascara is £17 normally. The sunscreen is normally £17.50, but that looks like a hefty tub of sunscreen, so that's not too bad. And for factor 50 as well, that's pretty good. And then £9.50, yeah, £9.50 for the pre-shampoo treatment. If my camera will refocus back, you can do it. There we go. You can pause, read all of that. So the Nourishing Mascara, not only does this mascara thicken, lengthen and volumise your lashes, it nourishes them at the same time. How? A hard-working formula enriched with almond oil and oleic acid. Make sure you shimmy the brush back and forth to grip every lash from root to tip. The sunscreen, right here. Not only does this SPF defend against harmful rays, it's chock full of antioxidant vitamin E to deeply hydrate and further protect your skin. The lightweight formula sinks in quickly with a velvety finish, never leaves an unsightly white cast, and is free from harmful ingredients. Ooh, that's nice to know as well. And finally, the Philip Kingsley hair product. This is a full size as well, by the way. These two are full-size products. So this whole thing is £11 and this whole thing is £9.50. Just so you know, all the others are, of course, tester size. So this award-winning pre-shampoo treatment, which works with all hair types, adds elasticity, manageability, hydration and shine whilst reducing breakages. And then it tells us again how to apply it like it says on the back. A sneak peek. Ooh, okay. June sneak peek. We don't actually technically get to pick the product. Stop trying to focus on Pikachu, camera. Thank you. I know Pikachu's the star of the show, but please, come on. So it is the Benefit Brow Gimme Brow. I've never tried Benefit's brow products, so I don't know. Basically, we don't get to choose it. That's what we're gonna get. And they do say here, if you haven't let them know your brow colour online, then please do, because otherwise they're not gonna know what colour to send you. So that's it for another month of Birchbox. I hope you guys enjoy these videos as much as I enjoy them. Don't forget to comment down below. What did you get in your Birchbox? Did you get anything different? What products did you love from it? What products did you hate from it if you've already tried them? There is a link down in the description that if you're thinking of getting Birchbox, you will get £5 off your first Birchbox. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please donate your hands to the like button. Hit the subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be notified of when I post a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.